Hello, I am Bethany Tucker. I have worked with Dr. Ruby Payne for over 20 years. And throughout the years, I have read the research related to motivation. And this very brief demonstration will explain the mental model that I have developed for motivation. I sometimes jokingly tell my colleagues that I'm writing a book on motivation. I've been working on it for 8 years and I'll finish it whenever I'm motivated. But that's not exactly true. The truth is that I find the topic so fascinating that I just can't make myself stop reading the research. As I read the research about motivation, I have read many theorists, many educators, many researchers, and they all agree on one thing. We were all born motivated to achieve. But we know that we have students who do not demonstrate motivation to achieve. So what happened between ages 2 and 12? And we think about when a child is 2 years old, when we watch them, they want to achieve. And if we try to help them, they will sometimes say, no, me do it. They want to do it themselves. They are motivated to achieve. But then some of those 2-year-olds grow up to be 12-year-olds or 22-year-olds or 92-year-olds who no longer demonstrate that motivation to achieve. So we ask ourselves, what happened between ages 2 and 12? Our motivation to achieve is either enhanced or thwarted. Now, we are born with certain propensities. We cannot deny that. But in addition to our innate tendencies, we also live in environments. And these environments have a tremendous impact on our motivation to achieve, with which we were all born. For this presentation, we have 2 major goals. Our first goal is to establish a common mental model for motivation. When we say the word motivation, chances are, if there are 50 of us talking, we have 50 different mental models, mental concepts of what motivation looks like. We're all thinking in different directions. And our first critical step is to develop a mental model of motivation. Our second goal is to discuss strategies for rekindling the motivation to achieve with which we were born, which perhaps was thwarted along the way.